Hello, this is SAVOX Sandy. So this is our test tool. So today I want to show you the SB-2295 with the old PCB board and compare with the SB-2295 with the new PCB board. The difference for you guys. Okay, so we can see here. This one is a old PCB board, and this is a new PCB board. And then we are testing 1.5 kilogram with 2 centimeters. So it means it's a 3 kilogram loading. Okay, the test is in 8.4 volts. And the old PCB board, you can see the current consumption is 1.6 something ampere. So here is the temperature, 27.5. And the new PCB board, you can see is also in 8.4 volts, but you can see the current is only 0.4 to 0.8. So you can see the power consumption is different, but with the same loading. And you can see the temperature in here. So it's a 25 right now. And here is up to 30. So we will test 10 minutes. Then we can see the difference. With the temperature and power consumption, then you can see how well the new PCB board is. The new PCB board is 32 bits and the old one is 8 bits. So we can see the difference. Okay, let's test in 8.4 volts for 10 minutes. Now we can see the difference on the temperature with the old PCB board and new PCB board. So at the moment, with the same loading, 1.5 kilogram and 2 centimeter on the home. So you can see the same loading is around 3 kilogram.